Hello everybody, I'm Chris from Clark's Place, and the other day I was starting to record the video for the eating Bondo video for breakfast, and my buddy Doug happened to be over and he was saying he was putting a new pin in his 68 Mustang that we restored and we all painted. Restored that, I think it was last November, but basically, when he said that, I had never even checked the door hinges on the 69 Charger, so I went and wiggled it, and this is after the repair is done. You can see it just has a tiny little bit of a wiggle, but he gave me the idea. Before I went in and recorded a different video, I recorded this video that kind of goes through and shows the process of welding up and trying to fix your original equipment door hinges. So, hope you like. Appreciate it. Alright, this is what we're going to try to fix today, is this. With a little welding, we'll see what happens. Did we have this one out yet?
No.
Alright, let's see. I'm gonna have to push it all the way out. Lots of slop there. Alright, now what did you do to the other one? You went and... get all that ground down so the weld sticks. That's actually looking pretty good. Time to weld.
Good. Yep.
It out more this way than this way, so we will probably put a weld here and here, and looks about the same. Looks like it's more that way on both ends, don't you think?
Yep.
All right, we'll try to get that squared away. All right, let's see what happens here. Move the car down a little. All right. What do you think of that?
That looks good.
All right. Well, I about closed the whole hole, so can you get it?
Yeah.
All right, hole's about closed, so you gonna get this too?
Yeah.
As I break off a bit. That looks like it's started down the right path, I think. That looks like it's started down the right path, I think. You think?
Mm-hmm. straight going down now.
Yeah, a little tight. So, start it from the top or start it from the bottom?
I think you start down from the bottom.
I think I'm going to start this one from the top though, because
You have
I'll never get the center from that.
Right.
That's at least going to start me in the center.
All the way through?
Oh, let's see. Maybe I need to wall it out a little better to make that hole.
Huh? I think you're too far that way. If you can come back, yeah.
I don't know how you get the center of the hole started. Hopefully it'll waller itself out there.
Pull up. There you go.
I know that's where it is.
Yeah.
But it immediately throws me to the side there. Let's get a little bit of oil drop.
That's all.
Yeah. A little drop of oil does the body good. How's that looking to you?
Good.
Good?
Yep.
I don't really notice that it's cutting to you. It's tough. Well, that weld is a lot harder than that other metal.
Drill bits.
Could be. I guess there's a little slag coming off of it. Yeah, at least it's centered. It's gonna take a minute. Close. See light at the end of the tunnel. There, let's round them out. Oh, there's a lot of weld hanging down on this side.
You gotta file that off.
Yeah, we'll see here. Took some of it out. Can't get all the way up through there. Let's see how close that is.
It'll be hot.
It needs to be filed, so we'll file that way. And I think all that. I think I'll shave off the bottom with the flat one and then round out the center. You can stop recording for now. We got a little booger. Zoom in there, Doug. Little booger at the bottom there and a little bit there. We're gonna flatten that out, but very close here now. Pretty close, Doug. Alright, I think that's pretty smooth. Let's test it. Let's see how close we are here. Ooh, very close. You can see just those two boogers on the at 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock right there. I think a little more filing, we'll get it close. Let's see what we got here. I think it goes on that way. Correctamundo. All right, let's try that. You got your ear protection on. Seated down there.
That's it. Still wallered on the bottom.
Still a little wobbly. Top's pretty good. I don't see it.
Good.
It needs a little.
We need more
You
weld
can
back
see
there.
right on this right there. I need to weld that. Beef that up a little bit.
On that side?
I think so. That will keep it on the inside there. All right, well.
So we still have a little wobble there.
More welding to do.
So we still have a gap on the back side. You can see the opening there. And we're gonna fill that in back there around the 11 o'clock position and try to weld some more and then file it down.
Let's give this a go again here. Just, I'd say from the edge of the weld to the other edge of the weld. What do you think?
Just right across that straight back.
I think that'll do.
Do it.
That'll do, Turbo. Maybe another little.
No.
I think just file it and then it should round out and be fine.
All right, now we're gonna file that weld blob down and try it again. That's gonna take forever.
Yeah, what should we do?
You got a little Dremel?
Yeah, maybe
kinda
Dremel, or maybe a
push it
smaller
down.
drill bit and then waller it.
Yeah.
All right, let's try the smaller.
I mean, I did this okay. I could keep going because I didn't touch.
All
I
right,
didn't
try
touch
that a
this
little
edge.
further. We'll break the bit and then we'll try it again. Trying to chew out the outside now, but I think that's pretty good there.
Yeah.
Maybe if we shave the top. Let me get the grinder and shave the top. I'm getting close. I think she's gonna go through. That's pretty tight. Let's proceed to bang the hell out of it. Thank you, sir. Yep. Let me get down where I can see what the hell I'm doing. I'm okay. Well, I don't know if I want to do any more. I think for all intensive purposes, I think I'm going to live with that. What do you think?
I would say that's
way better than it was.
Oh, hell yeah.
All right. Well, that's it for now. All right, so finished now. I'm going to live with that little bit of a wiggle. This is the passenger side on the 69 Charger, and we'll go over to the driver's side. And driver's side turned out a lot tighter, a lot nicer. You can see this has zero wiggle at all. None. I'm trying to shake the whole damn car, so This side went better than the passenger, but that's it for a door hinge repair. Bye-bye.